Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to combine clips here in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro and we have these clips right here. So this will be our sample clips. And now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to join this. So if you're thinking that you can do it by just simply selecting it like this and then you want to apply the effect right there, then that is wrong. Then how you can combine clips is simply by selecting your clips that you want to combine. So you can also select two or more depending on how much clip you want to join or combine. And then you want to right click once you have selected all of them and then click on nest. And then you want to name a name for your combination right here or for your group. So let's say tutorial group, just like that. And click OK. And after that, as you can see, it has now turned green and it is now, it turned as a whole right there. And after that, if you want to edit the contents of your group right here, then you can double click on that on your group, double click, and as you can see, it would appear right here. Now you can see the clips right here that is inside your group, and then you can see their name right here. So if you ever want to go back into your sequence right here, and you can just go click here right here, and you're back right here. And if you want to go into the nested sequence or the combination group, then you can go and click here or click here right here. And then from here, you can edit your individual clips. But if you want to edit the clips as a whole or as a group, then you can do it right here on the nested clip. But if you want it to be individual, then you can go here right here. And you want to make sure that your clip right here is as long as the clips right here. So if your nested clip is just like this one, then it would be also cut right here. It would be the same right here as cut if you would cut your nested sequence right here. And yeah, from here you can add in an effect. So for example, we will add a directional blur right there, and we want the blur length to be this much right here. So when I play this, as you can see, all the other clips or the other clips would be affected by the effect of directional blur. Just like that, just wait for it, just like that right here. As you can see, it's now like this one right there. So that is basically how you can join or combine clips here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.
If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.